Hi everyone! こんにちは! I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese Cooking. Here are my helpers, Mario and Luigi in a basket. They are helpers and also my supervisor. And they'll be joining like this during the video. Today, it's a ranking video. So, I'd like to introduce the best 5 Japanese sweets here in Japan. Japanese sweets are called Wagashi in Japanese. Have you ever eaten Wagashi? What is your favorite Wagashi? If you have, please tell me from the comment box down below. If you haven't, please get to know the most popular Wagashi Japanese sweets in this video. I would be happy if you actually could make those recipes. Now, what do you think is most Japanese people's favorite Wagashi? Okay, here's the ranking. Number 5, Ohagi. Ohagi is made by wrapping sweet bean paste with glutinous rice cake. And I have ohagi recipe on my food blog, so please check. Okay, number 4, warabi mochi. Have you ever heard the name of this sweet? Warabi mochi is a Japanese confectionery made from starch extracted from the root of the wild vegetable, warabi. Number 3, mitarashi dango. Mitarashi dango are made of skewered dumplings topped with a thick sugary soy sauce. Have you ever tried? I have the dango recipe on my channel, so I hope you like it. Number 2, ichigo daifuku. Ichigo means strawberries in Japanese. Ichigo daifuku is made by wrapping the whole strawberry in anko, wrapping paste, and then wrapping it in gyuhi, a type of rice cake. Have you ever tried this wagashi? And number 1, it's a taiyaki, the fish-shaped waffle filled with wrapping paste. Taiyaki is a sweet with a crispy thin crust made of flour and stuffed with wrapping paste. And as its name suggests, it is shaped like a sea bream. Recently, some varieties have been stuffed with cheese, eggs, curry, and other ingredients to make a light snack. And at home, we usually make taiyaki with using this special taiyaki plate that came with a waffle maker. I made a taiyaki, so let's try tasting. The outside is very crispy. I use a special ingredient. The recipe is in my channel, so please check it out. ごちそうさまでした. How was the ranking? Was your favorite wagashi included in this ranking? If not, please tell us what you recommend. So special thanks to Mario and Luigi. If you're interested in more about Japanese food and culture, please join my mailing list. To sign up, please go to my food blog. It's yjc.tokyo. yjc.tokyo. The pop-up screen comes up, so please type your email address and name and click. That's it. That's all for today. Thank you so much, everyone. See you next time. またね